Did you know that cats have a sense of smell that is 14 times stronger than that of humans? A feline's extraordinary olfactory prowess can be a double-edged sword. While it enhances their survival skills, it also means that our homes can swiftly become a sensory overload if we're not careful. That's right, we're talking about that unmistakable cat smell. Today we'll guide you on how to eliminate that cat smell from your home once and for all. First things first, understanding the source of the smell is crucial. So, what exactly are these common sources of cat smell in the house? Well, let's delve into it. The most obvious culprit is, of course, the litter box. It's a cat's personal bathroom, and like any bathroom, it can get stinky if not cleaned regularly. Cat urine is another major contributor. It contains ammonia, which has a strong, distinct smell. If your cat has an accident outside the litter box, or if the litter box is full, that smell can permeate your home. Then there's cat spray. This is different from cat urine. Cats, especially unneutered males, use spray to mark their territory. It has a musky scent that's hard to ignore and even harder to remove. Now that we know the sources, let's move on to the solutions. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Did you know that? Step 1, start with the litter box. It's the epicenter of the smell, the ground zero of the odor. It's crucial to keep it clean and fresh. So, how do you do it? First, make sure to scoop out the waste daily. Yes, daily. It's a small task that makes a big difference. Then once a week, empty the entire box. Scrub it down with warm, soapy water. Be sure to avoid using bleach or harsh chemicals as they can be harmful to your feline friend. Next, refill the box with odor-neutralizing litter. This type of litter contains special ingredients that trap and neutralize odors. It's a game changer. Lastly, remember to replace the litter box entirely every year. Over time, scratches and cracks can trap odors, so don't skip this step. Remember, a clean litter box equals a less smelly house. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Step 2, clean up any cat urine immediately. Now, why is this important, you might ask? Well, the longer cat urine sits, the worse the smell gets. It's like a party invitation for bacteria. And trust me, that's one party you don't want to host. The smell can seep into your carpet, furniture, or even the walls, making it difficult to remove. It's like trying to unring a bell. So what's the solution? It's simple. Act fast. The moment your feline friend decides to mark its territory, you need to be on the spot with your cleaning gear. But hold on, not just any cleaner will do. You need something that can neutralize the smell, not just mask it. That's where enzyme-based cleaners come in. These aren't your ordinary cleaners. They're like super cleaners that break down the urine molecules, eliminating the smell at its source. Think of it this way. If the smell was a fire, an ordinary cleaner would be like throwing a blanket over it, while an enzyme-based cleaner would be like dousing it with water. It's the difference between covering up the problem and actually solving it. So remember, when it comes to cat smells, don't just clean, neutralize. And the key to neutralizing? Acting fast. Because when it comes to maintaining a fresh-smelling home, immediate action is key. And that wraps up step 2. Stay tuned for our next step in the battle against cat smells. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Lastly, consider using air purifiers and regular house cleaning. These aren't just great tools for combating any lingering cat smells, but they also contribute to a healthier home environment. Air purifiers can work wonders in filtering out dander, allergens, and bacteria, while regular cleaning helps to minimize the chances of odors settling in. Consider investing in a vacuum with a pet hair attachment, and make it a habit to clean your upholstery, curtains, and carpets regularly. Don't forget to clean your cat's bed, toys, and litter box as well, as these can be major sources of odor. Remember, a clean home is not just a pleasant-smelling home, but also a happier, healthier one for both you and your feline friend. And as a bonus, a well-kept environment can even help reduce potential allergens that could affect you or your loved ones. With these steps, you're well on your way to a fresher, cleaner, and less cat-smelly home. And that wraps up our guide on getting rid of cat smell in the house. Remember, identify the source, follow our step-by-step guide, and keep a consistent cleaning routine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Stay tuned for more pet care tips and tricks.